Hello everyone. So this is my next video on food laws. For previous videos, just switch on to food takings. So today we will be talking about meat food products order. So let me just give a brief about it quickly. In 1973, Government of India promulgated an order to enforce strict quality control on the production and processing of meat foods. This production came under the Essential Commodities Act, which was passed in 1955. So the main objective of this was to regulate the production and sale of meat food products through licensing of manufacturers, enforce sanitary and hygienic conditions prescribed for production of wholesome meat food products, exercise strict quality control at all stages of production of meat food products, fish products, including chilled poultry, etc. So meat and meat products are highly perishable in nature and they can transmit diseases from animals to human beings very easily. So this has to be taken care very much what we call it very much carefully. So the processing of meat food products under Meat Food Product Order 1973, which was hitherto being implemented by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Under this provision of MFPO, all manufacturers of meat food products engaged in business of manufacturing, packaging, repackaging, labeling of meat food products meant for sale and licensing, but this excluded those manufacturers who manufacture such products for consumption on the spot. For example, restaurants, hotels, boarding houses, snack bars, eating house, or any other similar establishment. So this was the basic glimpse about meat food products order. If you want to know the things in detail, just comment it in the comment box. And if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much.